Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. So every researchers must come across the difficult part, that is struggling to make a perfect research question, or you can stuck into any problem in your research. So in order to overcome this, there is a AI tool today we are going to discuss. So this will very helpful for you to ask any research question associated with your research, and also it will get perfect answers for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will work out for to answer our research. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing using AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register the online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that researchquestiongenerator.com. So here this is the dashboard of this research question generator. So research question generator, so finding the right research question means finding something you have genuinely interested in and that matters to the academic community. A good research question comes from the ideas that excites you. Think about projects, ideas you have worked on before. Look for patterns in these things you can care about and explore this. Read widely to see what's already been done and what are the gaps you can fill. So this is what we are going to find using this AI tool, that is research topic. So here you can give whatever the research topic you want. Accordingly it will generate answer for you. So we will give some research question, that is you give the statement here. So accordingly it will generate a research question for you. So here I am going to give an input. So how artificial intelligence play a important role in energy management in electric power sector. So like that you can give an input, so get a research question. So let us see how this AI tool will generate answer for us. So it will analyze that question better, so you can give even also a elaborated research statement, so thereby accordingly it will generate a better research idea for you. So here you can see that how can an hybrid AI system utilizing reinforced learning and graph neural methods optimize real-time energy management in smart grids to enhance renewable integration and grid stability. So for that you will be having challenges. So what are the challenges has to be taken? So optimizing energy distribution and consumption in real time within smart grids while balancing renewable energy and demand fluctuations. Next, approach. So how to approach this problem is that, so first you have to develop an AI driven predictive model, so that combines that reinforced learning and graph neural networks to dynamically manage power flow and storage in smart grids. So this is the second one. So next, third one is that impact. So here you can see that the research could lead to more efficient and reliable power system, reduced energy waste, improved integration of renewable energy sources, so and lower electricity cost for consumers. It may also contribute to reducing carbon emissions and accelerating the transition to sustainable energy systems. So this is the impact. And the important thing is that methodologies. So what are the methodologies to be considered? So develop a simulation environment modeling smart grid dynamics, design and implement a hybrid AI system combining reinforcement learning for decision making and graph neural networks for grid topology. Next, train the AI system using historical data and simulated scenarios. Evaluate the system's performance in various grid conditions and compare it with traditional energy management. So conduct case studies on real world smart grid implementation to validate the approach. So these are the methodologies has to be taken care while to approaching this problem. So this is how you can generate the research question using this particular AI tool. Thereby you can get a clearer view of research, what is the research you are going to do. So you can shoot any questions you want, so accordingly it will generate answers for you. So try this research topic generator. So this is how you can ask any research questions you want, and it will generate a perfect idea and answer for you. So this research topic generator is a better AI tool. So whenever you are struggling to make a research to proceed forward, so you can give and get a perfect analysis of that particular problem statement, and also you can get what are the challenges, approach, and how to impact, and what are the methodologies has to be followed. It will generate an outline, so thereby you can get an idea to make your research proceed further. So go on and explore this research topic generator. It's a free AI tool, so you will get an idea surely whatever you want to do further in your research. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.